In this video, I want to show you how to create this locating pin 3D modeling by using Autodesk Inventor. Okay, so now let's open the new file. Okay, new metric standard millimeter.ipt, then click to the create button. Okay, now we can start the 2D sketch. Okay, we are going to choose this plane. Okay, alright, so firstly we need to create a rectangle. So we choose this rectangle 2 point. Okay, start from the center. Alright, then we enter the dimension 12, then press the tab key, put the dimension 4, press enter. Okay, so next we create another circle, another rectangle. Okay, starting from this point, then we put the dimension 10, press the tab key and 8. Okay, press enter. Alright, so next we create another rectangle. Okay, start from this point. Okay, with the dimension of 6, press the tab key, then we put the dimension 15, press enter. Okay, alright, so next we create another rectangle. Okay, start from this point, then we put the dimension 8, press the tab key. Okay, then we put 5. Okay, put 5, then press enter. Okay, okay, next we just right click and then OK. We want to create a circle, so we choose circle center point. Okay, start from this point, then we put the radius 8. Okay, press enter, right click. Okay, right click. Okay, now we create a line. Okay, we choose this line, we create the line, start from this point until this point. Okay, okay, we create another line starting from this center to this point. Okay, right click. Okay, now we are going to trim this part, so choose the trim icon, then we trim this part and this part. Okay, right click. Okay, alright, so now we are going to chamfer this part. Okay, I just remove this. Okay, we are going to chamfer this part, so by click to the chamfer icon here. Okay, chamfer icon, then I choose this. Okay, distance and angle. So in order to chamfer this, I need to put the distance 2 and the angle for chamfer is 45. Then I just click to this line and this line. Okay, so you can see the chamfer. Next, I want to chamfer this part but with different distance, so I change the distance to 4, then I click to this line and this line. Okay, so you can see the chamfer. Then I just click OK. Now I'm going to fillet this part. Okay, so you need to choose fillet, then I put the radius 2. Okay, right, 2, then I click to this line and this line. Okay, so you can see the fillet. Alright, so you can click this. Okay, you can close. Okay, now so now we can just click the finish sketch. Alright, so now we need to revolve this object to become 3D. So you can choose this revolve icon. Then we need to select the profile, so I choose this profile and this profile. Okay, so next I just choose the axis for revolve. So I click this line. Okay, so you can see the revolve and the 2D sketch become the 3D modeling. Okay, so we can click OK right here. Okay, now we can create another sketch. So you need to press the shift key on your keyboard and hold your middle mouse button to orbit this model. Okay, like this. Okay, so I bring the cursor here, then I click, then I choose create sketch. Okay, so I want to create sketch right here because I want to create a hole right here. Okay, so we can use the circle center point. Okay, starting from the center, then we put the radius 8. The radius is 5. Okay, press enter. Then we can create a line. Okay, because we want to trim this part, so firstly we need to create a line. Okay, starting from this point. Okay, from this point until this point. Okay, right click. Okay, then we need to trim this part. Okay, we trim this part. Okay, alright, so right click. Okay, now we can click the finish sketch. Okay, so now we revolve this object, so you can click to the revolve icon. Then okay, we already select the profile. Now we can choose the axis for revolve. So this is the axis for revolve. I just click here and you can see. So this is join. So now I'm going to subtract or cut this part. So I choose cut. So you can see the hole. Okay, then just click OK. Alright, you can see the hole. Okay. Okay, done with our 3D modeling. Alright, so next we are going to save this object first. Okay, let's click to the save as icon. Then we just save as part 4 maybe. Okay, part 4. Okay, now I want to show you how to use the eye properties. Okay, you can go to the file tab, then you can go to the eye properties. Okay, to the eye properties you can see the physical tab. Now I want to choose the stainless steel material. Okay, on the material you can choose the stainless steel. Okay, stainless steel. So right here you can see the density for the object 8 gram cubic per cubic centimeter, then mass 0.06 kilogram, then area 2822 square millimeter. Then the volume you can see here 8343 cubic millimeter. And you also can get another properties such as inertial, center of gravity, okay, and anything else lah. Alright, so okay, you just click OK. Now you can see the stainless steel locating pin. Okay, so thanks for watching my video for Autodesk Inventor 3D modeling. Keep follow me for more update and tutorial. All the best. Thank you.